Right, you join me with a hat and a jumper because it's getting chilly, because it's that time of year, and literally it feels like we've been waiting forever for parts. But we have been waiting forever for parts. Mainly just them. Just one set of parts. Everything else was here. I won't mention names, but got let down by a supplier. Anyway, so we're going to start rebuilding the engine. It's going to be a relatively long slog, as I've got to clean the head, re-hone it, just give it a general tidy up, try and get rid of some of the carbon deposits. Most of it's painted now. There's a few bits that still need painting, but they can be done once the engine's back together. So today's aim is to strip it, clean it, strip the top of the head here, take the bolts out so I can clean it, and hopefully the studs will come out and play the game. Clean the head so that it's ready for the gasket, and then I can get it on to the engine mount. We can get the crank back in and then start getting some of the pistons in. But nice. So let's get on with it. Okay, sit rep, it's hot and I've taken my hat off. Oh sorry, yeah, the engine. Just going to do a battery swap in the time-lapse camera because it's gone flat. But the camshaft's in, oil pump's in, crankshaft's in, new bearings, little sneak peek there. I'm not doing this live or filming this live because, you know, at the end of the day I'm an amateur mechanic. If you want to know how to do this properly, there's plenty of videos on YouTube. I'm not necessarily doing it the exact manner as the guide would tell you, so I didn't think there's much point in filming me putting this together because it mainly just involves me making bad words, and it doesn't make for pleasant viewing. So I'm just bringing you along for the time-lapse journey. So I'll go and do a battery swap and then we'll carry on.